Lancer Tactical, both Gen 3, LT02T, and LT12T. So, parehas to Gen 3. So, price niya is 8.5. So, parehas sila 8.5. Makikita niyo to guys sa budget meal folder natin. Okay, so kasama na yung case, unit, grip, may kasama tong grip LT02T, and magazine na 300 rounds. So, polymer front assembly, polymer receiver. Lapit mo onte, brother. With Lancer tactical markings. Naka-speed trigger, polymer grip, may swivel na rin, butterfly swivel, metal charging handle, reinforced internal parts, rotary type chamber. Meron na rin siyang kasamang rail cover, and then naka-triangle sights, fully adjustable sights, rear sights, and then metal din yung buffer tube niya. Yung buttstock niya naman is a crane stock version 1. Okay, so for 8.5 guys, kasama na rin yung case. Sobrang sulit nito. And then guys, naka-ETU na rin pala to. Fully programmable na ETU. So pwede kayo mag 2 round burst, 3 round burst, 4 round burst, 5 round burst, and binary. Okay, so test natin. So hindi ko nababanggitin kung sino yung mga kumuha nito. Shoutout sa inyo, bossing. Test natin, guys. So nag-request kasi sila, bossing eh. Lagay daw natin sa YouTube yung ano nila. Yung testing ng unit nila. Okay, game? 400 FPS. Full auto. So 391 to 400 FPS out of the box. Again, LT02T Gen 3. And then yung isa, ito, LT12T G3. So same, ano siya, front assembly is polymer, receiver polymer. Yung sights niya, folding sights, front and rear. And then medyo mas mahaba siya na onte comparing it with the 02T. So yun pang CQB yun. I think around ano to, mga 14 inches to. Saan yung ano natin, panukat. Mga 15 inches. 15 inches. And then yung handguard niya is 10 inches. So hindi ko nabanggit kanina, naka 6.03mm na inner barrel siya. Wait lang, bossing ah. Naka 6.03mm na inner barrel siya. And then, reinforced na rin internal parts niya. And naka quick release system na rin siya. So, mas madali yung ano, pagpapalit ng spring, dito lang i-access yung spring sa likod. May screw lang dyan. And then, yun. Kung magpapalit kayo, kung ang limit ng game sight nyo is 420 or 450, 380, ganun, madali na yung palitan. Okay? So guys, test natin. Guys, test natin. Firing. Full auto. Ilan? 406. Okay, so again guys, same specs silang dalawa. So basta Gen 3, polymer, reinforced internal parts, metal teeth, metal piston, naka-ETU. So, yun. And kasama na yung case. May kasama din pala tong grip, guys. Walang battery and charger na.